Arena Breakout Infinite, Northridge, building the projection room key. What's behind it, where is it, and is it worth it? Let's find out. The easiest way to find your way around this map and the rest of Arena Breakout Infinite is through my painstakingly created, completely free map linked down below. Simply head across to this page and punch in what you're looking for. In my case, proj for projection room, bam, clicking it takes us straight there with information about what's in it, tips and tricks, etc. Let's go ahead and find our way towards the central building. And on the first floor, not the ground floor, but the first floor, we'll find this room over here, way at the back of this little private cinema here. Let's get there. I'll start off by heading to the Northridge Hotel 2F, the second floor, and marking this area here. So inside of this lower building titled Cinema in the southeast, that's what we need to find our way into. So not this massive building here, but this one to the southeast. I'll make my way in through this door here, which should take us straight to the front bottom of the cinema. So heading all the way through this passageway, to the right, you'll find this cinema here. This is where we are, and I'll make our way up to the top of this. So right up here, heading straight up these far stairs to the very top back, bam, opening this door. Let's see what's inside. Inside here, you'll find a massive projector, obviously, a computer times 2. These military computers may have some pretty good stuff in them. In my case, nothing too crazy and nothing too crazy, but the most important thing here is this safe on the far end of the room. When we open this, we'll hopefully find some good things, and in my case, not so much. Overall, not too bad, probably 20, maybe 25k worth of stuff in this room for me, but of course this safe could be massive based on your luck. This area is super dangerous with not only players, but tons of AI and things like that. While you're here, you can enjoy a movie before checking out the rest of this massive building. Overall, besides this storage case that I'd recommend collecting as well in this room, there's just the same old loot scattered around the entire hotel here. Overall, a relatively good key as we've got a safe behind it. Is it worth it? Maybe, depending on your luck. Anyways, you'll find many useful links down below. Hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.